I'm so cold. Yeah, my heart's sinking like a stone.
Hi guys, starting a new vlog. I am out on the road with my mom. It's a day on the road. We're in Oakland. She there. And yeah. So we're in Maxi. We're in Maxi and mommy just bought a large Ataman. Let me show you. Mommy bought one of these. So this is, they're on sale. They're on sale for 17. So yeah. But this is in Maxi. I'm not always in here, not true. So yeah. It's part of the agenda for today. Guys, me and mommy now at Rapid True Valley. They might want Ataman. How much for them Ataman? No price on today. Excuse me, please. Hi. What's the price on this Ataman right here? On the what? Ataman, the skirt Ataman, the big one.
Yeah.
Don't even know what name. She don't know what name. Good for this. Alright. They have mommy's getting something for the bathroom. Okay. You gonna ask this? I go and look for the bathroom thing, you hear? I look for the bathroom thing. Alright, so she wants oh, you know that I want some of these picket fence kinda upgrade my garden area, but these, which one? These are which one? Oh, you know, so some things when you see them, you better buy them quick because them sell off fast. They had some white ones. Oh, they have these ugly green ones. Ew. Sorry. They have these. I wanted to upgrade like my garden area just to match with the decor that I have on the veranda. But they have these in white. These are not bad. These are 1,220 something. These are not bad, but I want it in white just to give that volume. I don't see any prices for these. Or there's a price. Oh, these pieces are 3,000 something, but it's only per piece. That's not gonna work. This one would be better. That they are connected, but there's no price on this one, so I'm not sure.
Okay, next one.
Mommy is trying to get some. Where's the other one? Get some mats for her class. Back so there's no price on them, so we are just something like this you're talking about, mommy.
She says they're something like that. Be good too.
Huh?
I know that price, alright.
Probably per one piece. Yeah, probably per tray.
White.
So, I'm sorry.
Alright.
Did they have
the price here is for the entire thing or for one?
This is the curtain that I have in the thing. They asked me about.
Yes, I do.
Yep. This is the curtain. I am having the bathroom and the.
Is that set?
What this? Yeah, 3 people. I'm telling you, the shower for the bathroom and over the kitchen.
Okay, that's what we did for now. How many people buy? I'm over it.
I'm priced it, but I think I took out something to pay for it. I'm not sure.
Or this one. Or this one, that's long.
Which one? I don't know why they don't have the prices, you know.
Take a look.
I don't know why they don't have the prices.
It go on a look better.
To work now?
No, I put it on for Christmas.
Yeah, you could. The gold because the mustard is not too far off.
You know, feel so. Feel this one, feel the next one.
Oh, that, mommy. This one is
thicker.
yeah, this one thin.
So look, I feel like it more quality.
Then thick. Because the one in the bathroom and then.
Come.
Alright. Heading out. Okay, so we are going to Payless. We're going to Payless. Just to do like a little last minute pep up. I mean, not really last minute. We're just grabbing a few stuff. Getting. Why am I saying this one shoes, people? I think we have any belts. They have these vegetables.
You know, can buy like this side?
You make what you know for
Hey, that's some sort of like a face.
yeah.
Here.
So guys, we're leaving Payless. We're actually heading back home now. Mommy said she needs to go home. I did mommy's hair last night. Mentioned somebody here last night. Hi. Yeah, so today it was me and mommy out today for like from morning. We got so much stuff. So guys, we're doing the back to school car cleaning. The babe over this one. Cleaning his car. My one, well, them all wash and stuff already. Only thing is around in the trunk here, so one clean. I need to change out this box to be in a basket, something more unique. This have everything in it. Am I the only person who have stuff packed up in the back of the car? Let's say the teachers. Watch here, dictionary, papers, envelopes, folder, umbrella, slippers, mirror, all my shit. Oh god. So anyway, I'm gonna brush out in here some, but then I have these air fresheners from April. I brought them down from Canada. Babe used one already in his car. He said they don't last no more than 3 days. I'm going to spray some of this in there to close it up as well. Kind of smell nice now. And then I have this Bath and Body Works scent inside. Let me show you. Look. Oh, then look. So this is all. This is all. You have it like that, and then you insert the scent. Alright, let me take it out. You have it like this. See the open here. You insert the scent in here. So that's the scent in there. What a 10, me rate them 7. Sometimes I don't smell them, but I still use them. Bath and Body Works, and this scent that I'm using now is Endless Weekend. So we just have to prepare for back to school. And oh god, just a finish up. Babe did my hair for me. You guys will see that further down in this vlog or our next vlog. Yep, so that's the update for back to school. I have a Walmart school supply all for Sean. Get out to Uno. Yep, so yeah, update. That's the update though. Alright guys, so hey, welcome, what's up? Alright, so I want to show you some Walmart school supplies that I got for school. These are like teacher related school supplies, so if you're interested you can definitely go ahead and check them out. I'll definitely leave the regular Walmart link down below if you're interested. Let's go ship them to your address wherever you are, and you get them for your own use whenever you need. So I'm gonna let you guys see them and let you guys, you know, have an understanding of the purpose of them, how they're used and everything. So in this case I got these like literally brought to me. I did not use a shipping courier or anything like that for them because someone was coming down, so I just shipped it to their house and I have them. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys these, and you guys can leave a comment to tell me what you think or anything like that, if you like it and whatever. So yeah, so we have this Expo dry erase markers. So if you guys are a frequent viewer, you would have seen where I was looking on Amazon to get these. However, I did not purchase them on Amazon. I purchased them from Walmart because these were much cheaper than what was on Walmart than what was on Amazon. I got these on the Walmart website. I think these were like $8.99 for the 16 pack. On Amazon it was like almost $20 or something like that. Yep, so these are way cheaper, and I got it with more black because black is a more used color than any other color. Black, blue, yeah. So we have 8 blacks and then we have a mixture of 8 different colors. I also got this Expo dry erase markers 2-in-1, and they're chisel tips, right? That's the tip where it writes better on the board. It's not too fine, and it's 4 of them. This is a 4 2-in-1, so it's 4 of them and they're both 2-in-1. So if you realize, all the ends are black because, as I said, blacks are mostly used in the classroom. Well, for me, let me know, black and blue. If you say otherwise, you can let me know. All right, so I will pull them out to show you them too. All right, before I go to that big one, I'm going to show you what's in the bag. So I also got these big crystal extra smooth pens. This is a pack of 10. It's a ballpoint. I know a lot of persons aren't a fan of ballpoint. Afterwards I was seeing the RSVP ones on sale, but it was kind of too late and I was not going to pay any shipping weight, nothing. So if I can just avoid something and save, then I'm just gonna do that. I'm not gonna dead if I'm gonna use RSVP. Yep, the only thing is that because RSVP, it writes better in the register, you know, I'm gonna give that big they call it letter formation. All right, I paid 97 cents for one of this. So this is full black because in the register, I don't know if it's every school, but my school, black is the color that we have to use in our register. If it's a thing that happens at every school, you can let me know. If you don't, then you can also let me know. I don't know why black, I don't know. I don't care really. Just follow what them say. Then I got the same 10 pack medium. These black ones, they're medium too, and I got 10 pack ballpoint in red. So you know you have to mark the put name book. Alright, so these are gifted to me. This was gifted to me. It's not from Walmart. So yeah, these are some markers. I also got these pencils, these pens as a gift too as well. I ordered pencils from Amazon. I ordered 10 packs of 12, which was 47 cents per pack, but I ordered it a little, well, all of them were ordered the same time, but Amazon decided, well, I say Amazon, Walmart decided that they're going to delay my package with the pencil because they came separate, little by little. So I ended up not getting the pencils. but I got these as a gift, so it won't be much of a bother. I can always get the pencils at another time. And then we're going to go into this big thing. All right, so it's called a bulletin, not sure. Let me reach out now there, make it know. So it has a whole lot of stuff. It's Pen Plus Gear, that's the brand. So it's like a board, what do I call it? It's a bulletin board kit. It includes one calendar, 12 months banner, shapes 49, make a calendar shape, 1 season chart, 4 seasonal banner shape, 6 weather icon shapes. It has 1 welcome sign, 12 borders, 28 decorative die cut, 1 birthday chart, 1 days of the week chart, and 1 days of the week die cut. So this is a big one. It has a whole lot of stuff, and I'm going to show them to you. All right. Oh. So I'm not going to do a lot of pulling up of it because I don't want the pieces to go missing, but I'm going to show you what I can. So in this here part, this seems to be like some days of the week, because I see today, right? I'm not seeing anything else in it, but as I said, I'm not going to really open it. When I do pull them out properly and put them up in my class, I can come back and show you them. All right, you have some ABC stuff, anything you can use to decorate your board. I guess this would be for the calendar or even for the birthday, because you know they're so sticky, right? They're sticking all over the place. They should have had some adhesive on them. Wow, because I am going to have to pack them. So this is what you probably put around the line, the border of your board. You have, there's a welcome sign too. I like this. It's, you know, and for the grade that I'm going, this is going to be perfect. This is where you have the weather, winter, spring, summer, fall. And I think this is very crucial too, because honestly, people, children, them in Jamaica, they don't know weather. They don't know different seasons, and they don't know weather. I'm not saying all of them. Don't come at me. It's not all of them. But a lot of them, they don't even know the different seasons, like winter, spring, summer, fall. They might know summer because school go on break and everybody says summer holiday. But winter, because they think because snow is not falling out here, they don't consider it to be winter. This would be the, I don't want to pull them up, you know, because I'll be so mad if I lose anything. So these are the months of the year. The months of the year. This is the calendar. Why are they supposed to fall out? Hey, you know, look like them to fall out. What going on here? I don't know. They're falling out. The seam, I don't know. I'm not sure. To even one of the months here fall out. I'm not sure. Alright. They give you a people. Whoa, people, this is literally a chart, you know. You know how much you're paying for this out here if you're buying this by itself, but $2,000. No joke. I like this. I paid $5 for this entire set with the borders and everything. Yeah, I love this. Happy birthday. I can put my birthday right there. Teacher, so I'm gonna get gift for my time. And then this is this would be probably where you put the months, right? And you probably stick on the dates as they go along, whether the month would have started on a Wednesday, Monday, Friday, Sunday, whatever. So yeah, that's it for it. And this, it has some little thing that you can mark to say if it's test time, holiday, 100th year, concert, conferences, no school, early out. Alright, so only thing left for me to show you are the dry erase markers. So that you guys see how they hold up, but let me pack up back this entire thing because I'm taking it to school tomorrow. So guys, this is the two-in-one markers, and choose the top. That's it. And oh, whoa, that's it for the other part. So, and see there on my finger, so you know it's working. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack my little I'm just so depressed about going back to where it was. I don't want to spoil the video. I'm just not feeling it, but I'm just trying to give you content. I am going to go ahead and pack my little, if I was a student I would say pencil case, but my marker, whatever you call it, marker case, pencil case, pen case, anything you want to call it. So yeah. Like, I just like a bus to get fed a while ago. Why am I feel like somebody want to cry? Why am I feel so? A while ago, this feeling of sadness came down on me. Tomorrow is school. I am going back to school. I don't want you guys to get me wrong, you know. I'm grateful for my job because it pays my bills. But just if you're not passionate about something, I don't think you should do it. Honestly, don't do it. You don't understand to do it, because like every time you should return to it, it is going to be like a nerve-wracking situation for you. And the fact that I'm not gonna deal with it, the whole stress, then I don't know, but me I hope for the best. My boyfriend did my ear, the one and only Odin. Kind of want to fix up and so, neat up and so, but Odin did the ear. A video is going to come out on this ear. You guys are going to see it. Yeah, but me I pack my marker, pen, pencil case, whatever you call it, the pouch, school supply pouch, pack lunch, iron some clothes for the week, and I have Odin here to finish up. The barber wanted to leave, so he had to go with it not being finished. But I want to finish everything by 10 o'clock because I want to get my bed early, because I have to wake up early. So when I am not up early, when I am not down early and I have to get up early, miserable. Bad. I don't know if it happens to everyone, but I'm miserable bad. So right, Darky. Yeah, that's about it for tonight. Yeah, and you guys have seen where we were washing the cars and whatever. So can't believe this summer done. It's what it is. Alright guys, so I decided to come back and show you what are some things I'm putting in my bag. If you watch the previous vlogs as well, I'm gonna tell them say I want pencil case from when I think I bought it in Walmart too, if I'm not lying. And this is it. Using it back, not buying anything. What? NEW. So some supplies that I think every teacher must and should have in their pencil case, or in their whatever they carry around, or in a them bag or whatever. I think they must have a scissor, especially when they are a primary teacher. Them always cut things. Always must have a scissors. They must have glue, whether it's the stick glue or the Ponal glue. I have Ponal glue too as well, so I will add my Ponal glue. They must have pens. So this pen is, you know, a regular pen. It's a regular pen. I think if you're Jamaican, you know the 3-section pen. That is so familiar out here that you find a lot of people have. This pen is good for register because the point is not as not as big as the other pens like these. You must have pencils, because just in case you might have a student or two coming without pencil, then you have one to give to them. Yes, things on time hard. I know we really know why give them free now, but you know what? Them say we can't sell, so we have to give them free, or I will send them go buy it. But I just always have it on hand, or even for myself. So I have pencils here. You must have, as a teacher in the primary sector, you must have reading pen, because you're going to mark the children in book. So I think I need like 2 pens. I have some old ones. I definitely carry those, different texture and stuff for it. You must have markers. So I'm not sure I'm going to share this between me and Odin, because we're going to share it. There's a blue here, so I'll probably take the 2-sided blue. Does it matter? It doesn't even matter. 2-sided purple. Yeah. Me lost everything, so you better me take the one them way. You know, me have them one place. And I might take some colors out of here. I might take probably an additional black one here too as well. I probably or probably not, because I heard that we're going to get pens and software school supplies to go to school. So I'm not sure. I always have to just be prepared. I'm definitely going to take some other black ink pens, because you never know. So these are going to be shared between me and Odin. So I have 2 here. Odin will have 2 for himself too. And you need duster. I don't have my duster here. I'm not sure if we're going to get new duster. I have old ones from last year. I'm going to buy nothing new, people, because I'm not investing in nothing that's not invested in me. So yeah, I just always have these little side books, just in case I want to make any little notes for myself, like a personal notes. If I sit down and I think I need to plan out something, then I'll have this in here. Normally I would have an eraser. I don't have one right now. I might can find some under the bed. Yes, so like Tim and true, under the bed, in the suitcase, where I would have a lot of school supplies from when I was going to college. But who not looking for me, because I'm tired. So these would have to work for tonight until I go to school tomorrow to see what they give me. So I'm gonna put away these. This would be Odin scissor and some of his stuff. So yep, if there's something that is missing out, you need tape too. Tape is a good handy thing to always have. I would have thumbtacks. I would normally have 2 as well, clips, like paper clips, but those are in my car from the box where you see in the car. Pack up a crayon box, boxes of classroom markers that way you give the children. A lot of things in there. So I probably dig up that box and find so many other things. I'm not really packing up myself with too much. So yeah. Alright guys, so let's just call this a overnight get rid with me, with addition to the other clips that you guys will see throughout this vlog. Alright, so currently I'm going to share lunch for me and Adine. So we have lunch for school. My mother gave me these 2 lunch bags, and them they are rolled from last year. I just washed them and we're ready to go again, right? So they're fresh and clean. I don't care if they're new or not. I don't care. So I bought these dishes. They have these covers. I bought a set of 3 for just $100 in a supermarket. They aren't thick, but they aren't too thin as well, and I think it was really good. So I'm going to share our lunch, and then I'm going to prep the fruits for tomorrow. whether we want to have them for breakfast or with breakfast, or take them to school and have like a fruit section. Always try to carry fruit. And I sterilize I sterilize my Starbucks cup, tea in it every morning to take, you know, just kind of something to cut down on time spending in the house. And that's a bottle and another bottle. So juice, water, it depends if me carrying juice. Sometimes I go strictly water, but if I did is carrying juice, you know. So yeah, okay, the thing is that I don't think when you don't love something you're never ready. Like me just think about it, I don't know. And when you just know the state of depression, the stress where you're gonna face, like you will still love it or not, you just never ready. But I just ask God to just put me through this year just easy and make me be a light thinker, because I'm an every thinker, and because I'm an every thinker, I put everything on my brain and me get easily stressed. Currently I'm sad because I don't want to go, but I have to. Yeah, I'm sad, like water on my eye and everything, but so I go. So guys, now I'm sorting out my fruits for tomorrow, because the more things I have to do in the morning, the faster the time goes. So I don't know that go right. Alright, so let's just say that this is like a what update vlog, yes? You can show me. This is a what update vlog, first day. Sharpening a pencil for a student who is not sharpening the pencil. That's because I'm at grade 2. So, you know, gotta be a mother, gotta be a teacher. At the same time, I forgot my fan. Forgot to take out my fan from the other car. So I'm literally, it's either the pencil is not good or the sharpener is not good. I'm not sure what's going on with this. Alright, here. I have to clean up this and you're going, ooh! I hope it didn't break. You're going to throw it in the bin, okay? I didn't get a chance to eat my break, people. My break. I didn't get a chance to eat my break. And here's their sharpener. I'm just here all over the place. This morning I come to wear white. Clothes is a mess. So here. I wore white and my clothes is a mess. And I had to come and move chair. The chair them rusty. All of them something there. But however, it was break and I didn't get a chance to eat my break. So I'm going to have some fruits now, and water. I'm going to show you. So I'm going to have this a break. I'm going to have half of an orange and some papaya. And water is in this. So yeah, update currently. People, is a good thing. But they put in the Walmart order. So let me get here. One extra marker and one Stabilo plan whiteboard marker. One whole school year, even one whole term. So let me get here. It's a good thing. I did buy my marker then. So guys, what's up? I got home. I'm gonna bed it. It kind of feel a little bit funnish. Yep. But currently starting out dinner, and probably about an hour and a half now. It's early night time, almost night. Starting out dinner and preparing the fruits for tomorrow. So doing the fruit dishes, I'm gonna show you that in a short while. And just about kind of package lunch after sharing dinner, after we share dinner, and then just literally eat and relax. How was today? Today was not bad. It was really hot because I forgot my fan. Other than that, it was not bad. And I also tried to get myself familiar with actual face-to-face lower grade, because I've never been at the lower grade section face-to-face, so I was really getting familiarized with that type of teaching. Them still need attention, just all of them look at something there, like, you know, students were just, they're not responsible enough. I'm just feel exhausted. I live far from work, so at every point in time I always feel exhausted and may just feel woozy and it's just never bad. Given the day, 5 out of 10. For me, there's never a 9 out of 10 day or 8 out of 10 or a 7.5. Nothing over 6. And I don't know the reason of that, so I'm gonna have to go over that. No reason. So I just feel woozy, I just feel funny. My head and it just feels funny. What me? Guys, it is day 2. I'm having my lunch. I would have been through all the breaks, all the fruits already, all the snacks. I'm just down to lunchtime now. I'm having some mac and cheese, some potato salad, and some brown sushi. Give me a show now. I'm almost finished, but that's because I just remembered to show you guys. And I took cool fruit and my class going on with their antics because it's lunchtime. Yeah. So that's the update. Update for today. I'm making up my ear today. I'm making up my ear, try to eat, now play, and I made sure not to leave my fan today. I know the ground is dirty, they're going to clean up after, but make sure I'm gonna leave my fan today. Guys, today is Wednesday. I'm a been enjoying out this vlog for a while now. But that watch it. Babe gonna juice beef round here, so gonna get patty. I've been enjoying the vlog of y'all. I think I gonna end out the vlog. Cause I don't like me really show no much things, and I like me really dry it out for no major reason. Me just, you know, school start back, and I think I need to capitalize on how, or the whole idea of how I'm going to, you know, make everything work out evenly, so I can put out a vlog or vlogs. So far, can't go on, not too bad. Day 1 was really, like, I was so annoyed because I didn't leave my fan and my hat and my bottom and everything. Day 2 was a little better because I brought my fan. Day 3 was okay. Now day 4 tomorrow. And after that, it's like the end of the week. Currently, what's going on? Currently in the process of kind of organizing class. Putting up my little charts, my little class fancy stuff, any little thing that I would have purchased or anything I would have had from the last class, or, you know, just revamp everything else. But I don't know, not much time going on this week. Not a lot of teaching, but you still try to do some things to keep the students occupied. So that's about it. That's about it for this week, honestly. Yeah. Based on teacher migration crisis, is that affecting my school currently? No. Staff members who are not there anymore, They are part of the teacher migration crisis, the whole teacher migration thing, but not in a sense where it's affecting the school, where the school did not get anyone to replace. So yeah, that's update. And I mean, for years or whatever time to come, more teachers are gonna leave because the new implementation that them put in place, people are afraid. People not gonna want to work because currently right now primary school is running like high school, subject-based teaching, one teacher teaching more than one grade, like high school. So you have to be running from one grade to the next grade. So you're running from grade 2 to grade 3, from grade 3 to grade 4, you know, all over the place. So that's what is currently going on. So you know, when you just write one lesson plan for one grade, that now going again you're writing lesson plans for more than one grade, so more work, right? And you do primary, so why are you kind of doing the high school kind of thing? But Lady Favor, when I really know about the education system, come and change up things. She not even know that can't really work. Can it go hard? Because primary school is not like high school when they would have had like you have free sessions where you can get yourself settled and get your resources together to take on the next class. Nope, it's like you left one class and you're jumping on the next class. So at the end of the day, it go hard. At the end of the day, it go hard not only upon the students, upon the teacher. Students are going to feel because they might get less teaching time because you can't done class 3 o'clock if you go to the next class at start 3 o'clock. So you have to cut the time short. You have to go to class, the class one class might be up there, so, and you have to go down there so for the next class. So you know you have to done the class before time. Whereas if you have slow kids in the class, you know so you're not gonna have not even no hands-on time to kind of give them extra time. So, Favor, she don't know what go on. She don't know, she don't understand. She just do her own thing. And I believe that Jamaica should be a place, or needs to be a place where, like, for example, England, where the Prime Minister, them never like, oh, him a go on and him need a work in them favor, and them take him out. Them something they need for go on in Jamaica to check out the people them who not work with the whole ministry, because she run the ministry like, I don't know, but she don't understand people. She don't understand. She don't understand. She don't understand how I go on. The lady literally take high school, push in a primary school system and not hiring enough teachers. So you know, when you have these things going on, you have to have more than one maths teacher. You have to have extra teachers. So at the end of the day, this whatever they're doing is not for the children, it's just for themselves. I feel like they must do it for pressure teacher. Point blank. They must do it for sell about the teacher with work and teacher not do nothing right now. So, but if you're one of them over there say teacher not do nothing, full the business, because at the end of the day, we're not going to overwork for nothing at all. So, babe come with the patty and we're going to eat patty and go home. So, that is where I'm going to end this vlog. I'm not going to do a long one because I have clips full up all over the place, but me catch you know. Yeah, me catch you know next time. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I encourage my party now. So later.